How to record screen on Android. Recording the screen on an Android device can be done using the built-in screen recording feature available on most modern Android devices or through third-party apps. Here's how you can do it, using built-in screen recorder, Android 11 and above 1. Open Quick Settings *, swipe down from the top of your screen to access the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down again to expand the panel fully. 2. Find Screen Recorder *, look for the screen recorder icon. If you don't see it, you might need to add it to your Quick Settings. Tap on the pencil icon to edit and drag the screen recorder icon into your Quick Settings panel. 3. Start recording *, tap the screen recorder icon. Choose your sound settings, microphone, device audio, or both. Tap Start to begin recording. 4. Stop recording *, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the stop button in the notification panel. Using third-party apps, if your device doesn't have a built-in screen recorder, you can use third-party apps. Here are a few popular options. 1. AZ Screen Recorder *, download and install AZ Screen Recorder from the Google Play Store. Open the app and grant necessary permissions. Tap the record button to start recording. Stop the recording by tapping the stop button in the notification bar. 2. Mobizen Screen Recorder *, download and install Mobizen Screen Recorder from the Google Play Store. Open the app and set it up. Tap the record button to start recording. Stop the recording by tapping the stop button in the floating control panel. Tips for screen recording: ensure you have enough storage space on your device. For high-quality recordings, set the resolution, bitrate, and frame rate according to your needs. Test the recording settings before capturing important content to ensure everything works as expected.